Hi, in this video, I will show you the three best free PDF reader or viewer apps for Android. So it will actually be based on to a Google search that I have done earlier. So in here, you can go over first your Play Store, and in here you have in there. So you can only find your Play Store if you're on Android. So first things first is the standard PDF reader, which is Adobe. You can click onto the search bar and search in here for Adobe Acrobat Reader. So let's head over and search for in here for that. So if you have it right here, it should be able to show up. And here it is, Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you can actually annotate, you can draw, you can highlight using this PDF reader. So next thing for that is the All PDF. You can click onto the search bar and search in here for All PDF option. Now, from in there, you can see a lot of options right here. So what we're looking for is this made by Harry Corner. So as you can see, it has 500k downloads and it's only 12 megabytes. So it had a lot of option. It can support all documents as well as format, but it usually actually only cater to PDF usually. So you can also just annotate and then quickly read those PDFs and quickly search as in everything. So last but not least, we have Sajda. So you can go over and search for your placer for Sajda. And then from in there, it should be able to show you in here some search results based on that. So we have in here this for our Sajda, it's actually only available in certain region. But if Sajda is not available for you, you can head over and then use the I Love PDF right here. So it's actually an editor and a scanner in one, which is actually very beneficial for you since you can actually automate or you can just scan a document and it will be turned into PDF. You can annotate it, edit, and view it, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.